So this is how to use this AI software called Kling AI. So you can use this software to create images and to create videos and even to edit videos. So this website is called Kling.ai, and the good thing with this website is that right here where we have trending shots, we can see what other persons have created, and right here you can see the number of likes it's getting, you can see the duration, you can see the different images here. Also, you have here where we have creatives, and what this means is that all this work that have been uploaded, you can also make it to look like yours. So you can clone it and try it to see if you would find it helpful to you. So to start or to begin, you need to have an account with klingai.com. I'll put a link in the description, and all you have to do is just create an account and you'll be on this interface right here. So if you come to the assets here, we have AI image and we have AI images and AI videos. All right, so I'm just going to show you how the website works and how you can use it for free. So you get some coins here, and these coins or these credits, they will expire I think after 24 hours or thereabout, but you get I think 300 and something, and you can use it to create what you want to create. So at the top here we can decide, let's say if we want to create images, we can click on AI images, and here we can just give this we can just put a prompt here, and this is going to generate the images for us. So the image is going to cost us 0.80 credits, and all you have to do is click on generate, and it's going to generate images for us, AI images that we can use for whatever purpose that we want to use it for. So I'm going to give it some seconds to come up, and as you can see, it's generating 4 pictures that we can decide to use or not. So as you can see, these are the pictures it has generated, and these pictures are actually very sharp or very clean. So you can also come here and give it a reference image, or you can come here and set the aspect ratio. So I actually forgot to set the aspect ratio, but these ones are quite clean. So if you have a reference image, you can come right here and then you can give it a reference image. So you can upload your image, give it a reference, and what you are telling it is to create something similar to that. So I'm just going to use this other image that I created with Bing. So I actually created this image using Bing Create. So I can come here and make it a reference image. So what this simply means is that this website is going to create any prompt I give it, it's going to work with this to give me an image that is similar to this. So I can come here and increase the strength. So I basically want it to make sure that it's quite close to this. So you can use it to create consistent characters with ease. So once you've set your image here, you can come to the top here and then you put a prompt. So let's just say a guy. All right, so let's say that's the prompt we want. I can just come down here and click on generate. Of course, you have to set the ratio, the aspect ratio. In this case, I'm just going to do 16:9, and I'm going to click on generate. So it's going to generate these pictures using this one as a reference. So let's give it some time to do the magic, and then we can proceed to how we can turn text to videos or even images to videos using Kling AI. So you can create videos using text, or you can create them using images. So in this case, we are going to use text, and we are going to give it the same prompt so that it can create a video for us. So I want to put the same prompt, and down here you can select the mode. So for us, it's going to be standard because we are on the free plan. You can equally use the professional mode for just 5 times. So you can just use it to see what it looks like. So you can equally set the relevance, which means you want it to be close to the prompt that we've given it. So here you can equally set the aspect ratio. So they always have this annoying stuff that keeps popping up. I don't know how to turn this off, but the aspect ratio in my case will be 16:9, which is perfect for YouTube, or you can go square or you can go portrait mode. So at the bottom here, you can add a camera movement. You can add a camera movement, but this is only available for the professional mode. And again, we can try it just 5 times. So the professional camera mode just shows it how you want it. Like you can give a camera instructions like zoom, zoom in, and all of that. But we are not really interested in that now. So I can just come here, click on generate, and it's going to use the prompt that I have given it right here to make a video. So we are going to give it some time to see the video that it is going to provide for us. So as you can see, it says the estimated time is 9 minutes, and I just have to continue this video after this 9 minutes. So now this is the final product. This actually took some time to come up. It took about 9 minutes or thereabout, but this is a finished work. So as you can see, this is just 5 seconds, and you can play it or you can download it if you wanted. So it used a prompt that we provided it here. So it says a highly detailed, colorful steampunk style fantasy creature with large vibrant butterfly wings. So right here you can see this is it right here. So we are going to play the video, and it's just a 5 seconds video. So now you can actually regenerate it. If you don't like it, you can edit it if you wanted, but I'm just going to download it. So you can download it right here, and the video is going to download. So this is basically how you can use the Kling AI to either generate pictures or to generate videos. So you can equally use an image here to generate videos. So you can basically give it an image, a reference image, and it can use it to generate videos. So let's say we use this guy. So let's say we use that guy, one of the guys we just created. You can give it this one and confirm it. And from here, you can set a start to end. All right. So you can add an end frame. This is now our start frame. So we can add an end frame here. So let's say we want to start with this guy and end with let's say something like this. All right, I know this doesn't make any sense, but just in case you want to have a start and end, you know it's possible. So here again, you want to put your prompt, and you can say the motion brush, so you can add a control to move the object. So I'm not going to go into that now because I personally have not tried it, but you can set the creativity, the relevance. You can, let's just switch this back to standard mode because I currently have just 4 trials left. So we can switch it back to the standard mode, and then we can generate. So it says the 1.5 model only supports the professional mode. So let me just change this model. So you can change the model to either 1.0 or 1.5 or 1.6. So the latest one is the 1.6. So we can now switch it back to the standard mode, and you can select the count here, but since we are on free, we can only do 1 count. And now you can add a negative prompt. Things you don't want to appear in this, you can add them, but we are good with this. So you can click on generate again, and it's going to generate another video for us using that image as a reference. So it says they've received overwhelming demand in the last model, blah blah blah. So this one is going to take us just 2 minutes. So we are going to give it time to do what it wants to do. So this one has finished rendering, and this is our video. So you can download this video, and you can even do a lip sync. You can do a lip sync, but we are going to look at that in a subsequent video. Now you can download this video, and then you can play this video to see what it looks like. Of course, you can get more professional. You can do even more things with this video, but let's just look at the finished product of what we have now. So this is our video now. As you can see, it just turned that image to a 5 seconds clip. So this is how you can use this website and create either pictures or videos or whatever you want using AI. I hope this video helps you, and if it does, please like the video. And if you have questions, you can ask me in the comment section. My name is Goodnoel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.